Hello, my name is MD Muna, and I am going to explain the Capstone project and present to you what I did and how I did it. So my project primary goal is to build an e-commerce applications which will be responsive and easy to use by any kind of persons, any kind of persons who don't belong from the technical background. So actually, to build this kind of projects, I prioritize some kind of things like easy words that is very popular and that can be used that can be very usable words and simple words. So this is the project I built. So here you can see here we have I have added here the carousel page. If any if any kind of promotional items or things we have to sell, we can show to the user, and by seeing that if user gets attracted, they can click on this kind of links and they will jump to that page. Currently, this is for learning. So I didn't have the project and it will go to the not found page because I haven't built this kind of things. Since I don't have a this kind of products. So now let's jump and this is the value propositional features means what we offer. So I have added here free shopping returns, free returns and offers what I provide. So right now we are in the we are we are in the all products. So it will show all the products and the products that are being shown in every page. In every page there is only 8 items will be shown. If we want to go to the next page, if we want to go to the next products means then we can just go by the navigation link. This then we jump to the next page. So this is the pagination, yeah, and this is the category. We can just change the category. We can search here. If you want to search in the specific category, just we can press M and it will be search in the category. And means whatever we search, that search will be specific to the category, all page where we search that will reflect there. Not that will not changes the page. If you want to search some products in all category, we can just jump to the all category and search here M. This will reflect. And if you want to go to the next page, you can just go and see there is available. Is there any product available with the name? And here you can also see like if I enter something and leave the button, it will be searched automatically. Search automatically. If you want to means primarily we I did it by the handle on blur action. So I did it by I put the 100 seconds uh, timeout sections. Like if you leave this after 100 seconds, this will be searched. Okay. And for the searching purpose, I use search params from the React router. Yeah. We can also do so. We can also add to the wish list, remove to the wish list from here also. Add to the cart, go to the cart. You can see all the pages, all the wish list that has been added here. We can delete it. We can add to the cart, go to the cart, clear cart. You can increase it, decrease it. a clear card, one card, eight card. If you remove if we remove from the zero or one, this product will not be appeared. This product will not appear. This product will not appear. So now let's jump to the code, the folder structure that I have uh, prioritized. Primarily, I learned folder structure from the video that has been provided in the Capstone project descriptions, where I learned that we should keep the every files, every files and components that has been used there. So like this, I prioritize this, and for the for whatever the component that is exist in the dashboard, I build in the dashboard. Uh, the let's say I had a component in the carousel, category filter, uh, and I also write some test cases. A skeleton when if I am getting some any data from the users, getting data from the APIs, then I build the skeleton for that to mimic the uh, layout sections, and I also added the some uh, comment so that it will be easy to readable readable after some period of time. Primarily, I don't edit the comment in the code in the UI. I added code in the I added comment in the logical sections, like where I did some kind of actions. But here I added because I thought this is a whole there is no any kind of text here, so I added here so that it must be look it must be readable, because this kind of things is mimic this kind of things is only representing that the data is come here, so it is the layout. It will appear when the data is loading. So here you can see pagination page, skeleton, and index, because pagination will be built according to the data we had. That's why we I build a skeleton for that, and hold the whole the action and logic will be managed from the dashboard index page. Okay, and I also told you before that I primarily added comments for the logic sections, and I made as much as possible to look like a real projects. Okay, as I was suggested, I also build a not found page, login page, sign up page, product details, routes. Routes for the routes purpose, I used a React router, and yes, I for the carousel I used motion, because that's make me to build a really good carousel, because I wanted to build the carousel like that. Yeah, for the services in the services section, I build to get only the API. I will call only the API and I will get the result, because that is very easy to manage. If I wanted to change any kind of means I wanted to change the API, and I wanted to improve any kind of improvements in the API, I can just go to the service and change it. Okay, and for the store purpose, like uh, any uh, any uh, any state management, like add to cart, remove from the cart, add to the wish list, remove from wish list, and any product will be come from there, because that has been used everywhere. And if I use if I will be fetching data from in every page, that will be very bad. So that's why I use a store here to avoid prop drilling and fetching data every time. And here uh, in the utils folder, we had some file that has been used in most of the files. from format currency. In the format currency, we are changing the simple amount into the readable USD dollar, USD amount. And authentication validation, yeah, means we are added. I added some validation like if a password is valid or not. For that, I am using reject operations. And for the CSS purpose, I was very much confused. What kind of colors should use? So for that, I used some tools to get to solve this kind of problems, and I come to the this kind of for this color I choose from the color hunt, and then I use the tool to make it reusable, because the color is just something that can make your website good, or uh, that can destroy your website, because if the color will not have a good contrast, the website will not be readable. That's why I use. And I also added here a spinner. Okay, so whenever I use a spinner, there will be color according to my website colors, means whatever color I am using. Okay, and this is the for a skeleton. Like whenever I am using a skeleton, this kind of things is uh, being repeated. That's why I did this kind of thing. That's why I make a class and did this. And I also made a documentation how we can use it. We can just uh, go to this link and just clone. And after cloning, you can just navigate go to the Shopsphere folder and install the library, install the all the packages. After that, we can run the dev server.